speech on nature conservation. Subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. Good morning on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers and my dear friends, my name is. Today we have gathered here to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day. The world observes Nature Conservation Day on July 28th every year. The purpose of the day is to highlight the importance of nature for humanity. Nature is made up of many different resources that support human living, such as soil, air, water, trees, plants, and animals. Deforestation, global warming, pollution, and other issues that nature is facing today are causing numerous variations in the weather and rainfall. Furthermore, if we keep using the resources, there won't be any left in the future. The theme for Nature Conservation Day 2023 is Conserve Nature, Conserve Life. World Nature Conservation Day is observed to raise awareness of the value of nature. The day encourages individuals to help preserve the environment. Forests, land, rivers, lakes, minerals, fuels, natural gas, and other resources must all be preserved for future generations to enjoy. Compared to their rates of production, natural resources are being utilized more quickly. The two types of natural resources are renewable and non-renewable. Examples of renewable resources are air, water, and sunlight that refill naturally. Non-renewable resources are resources like fossil fuels and minerals that do not restock and reform very quickly. It is critical to conserve these resources in order to keep the environment alive. How to conserve nature and its resources? Make use of alternative energy sources like solar and wind power. Plant more trees to minimize soil erosion. Utilize pipes to transport oil. Use modern farming techniques. Raising awareness. Taking the necessary action to preserve nature in its original form. It must be a top priority for all people. Only humans with their immense power and ability can preserve nature in its beautiful form. I request you all to protect our nature and save our life and coming generations. I would like to conclude my speech hoping that you all were able to understand the importance of nature, conservation and their protection. Happy Nature Conservation Day to all. Thank you.